Pallubasa Daeng Salam is one of the most iconic culinary destinations in Makassar, serving authentic flavors since the 1950s. What makes this spot special is its rich heritage recipe and a dining concept reminiscent of Japanese omakase, where every bowl is custom prepared right in front of the diner. When talking about legendary culinary spots in Makassar, Pallubasa Daeng Salam is an absolute must-visit. Operating since the 1950s, this iconic eatery maintains a unique serving tradition similar to the Japanese omakase experience. Every single bowl is prepared fresh on the spot upon ordering, delivering an authentic and memorable taste. Open from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m., customers constantly stream in to fill any vacant seats, with some even having to wait for others to finish their meals. A portion is quite affordable at just 17,000 rupiahs, or around $1. The journey of Pallubasa Daeng Salam began over 7 decades ago. Amidst the rise of modern dining, this establishment remains dedicated to preserving its original recipe. The secret lies in their signature spice blend and premium toasted coconut, keeping the flavor consistently delicious across generations. The serving concept here shares a striking resemblance to omakase, where the focus is on raw freshness and an intimate dining interaction. The menu keeps it precise and focused, tender cuts of beef or selected offal submerged in a rich aromatic spiced broth, topped off with a raw free-range egg yolk that melts seamlessly into the soup when stirred. Even though celebrity stars rarely visit this place, local youths and homegrown artists often call it Pallubasa Culture, cultural Pallubasa. Pallubasa Daeng Salam might not be as popular as Pallubasa Serigala, but its taste and quality can definitely compete. The flavor profile is complex yet perfectly balanced. Savory spiced broth meets the aromatic, nutty notes of toasted coconut. As you break and mix the egg yolk, the broth transforms into a velvety, creamy texture. Combined with melt-in-your-mouth beef, every spoonful delivers an unforgettable taste of Makassar heritage. Pallubasa Daeng Salam is more than just a place to eat. It stands as a living landmark of Makassar's culinary history. As for the taste, the broth is savory and packed with rich spices, while the signature toasted coconut instantly boosts your appetite. The meat is remarkably tender, never tough, chewy, or gamey. Pallubasa is best enjoyed with steamed rice, unlike koto, which pairs perfectly with rice cakes. Pallubasa is suitable to enjoy at any time of day and remains a favorite comfort food among most people. To get authentic, top-quality Pallubasa, you have to visit Makassar, a city widely known as a culinary paradise. If you're planning a trip here, make sure you aren't on a strict diet, because once you set foot in Makassar, any diet plan is bound to fail. If you ever find yourself visiting the city, tasting a bowl here is an absolute necessity. Don't forget to hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more legendary food discovery journeys.